unlock. Yeah, why not? Okay, can you turn on the heater? You see, during snow you cannot see the line, so it will be harder to drive during the snow. So you need to really pay attention. Okay, it's green means go. Oh yes.
So what is the point when you drive in winter season?
Drive slow. And even like during this distance, you need to start pressing the brake, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So one main rule: do not hit the brake suddenly, because see, your car will slip.
Yes,
Okay, done.
definitely.
And the one sign you need to pay attention to is this blue sign, Teishisan here. Sorry. It's like basically to show where the before the red light where you need to stop, and of course the red light as well. It's getting dark.
Please be careful.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, we arrive in Gyomusupa, the cheapest, one of the cheapest supermarket in Japan, right? Do you agree? Do you agree?
I agree.
This is how much we will spend, 6,143 for 2 weeks. You did, right?
We just finished going shopping. We just finished shopping.
If you're in Indonesia, you definitely need a car.
Yes.
Or, you know, even in Indonesia they have like
Kemare.
Uber, you know?
Kemare. Please concentrate.
Yes, I'm
Please
concentrating.
concentrate.
Clean.
Please focus.
Yes. Look at the weather is crazy. It's blizzard.
It's so cold.
Yes.